Hey, high levelers, Rio Daniel here, and what I want to do is create a quick video. This is just going to be a few minutes. I was working on this myself, and I'm thinking to myself, wow, wouldn't my other audience on my YouTube channel love to figure out this little hack that I found and utilizing in one of my workflows that could potentially really help you out? So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about here. I was working on this 30-day nurture sequence for a group that I'm sending to, and this is just a very introductory email, but one of the things that is going to be a little bit of a challenge here is this sequence is actually built for a course. Now, because it's built for a course, what I want to do is I want to sit back and send out emails every day giving people instructions on what to do day one, what to do day two, and so forth. The problem is that when people sign up and get involved in the nurture sequence, you don't want that email necessarily going out like at 10 o'clock at night if that happened to be where they signed up. Yeah, ultimately what I want to do is when they sign up, I want them to get this introductory email here. If you take a look here, I want them to get this introductory email right away. But what I want to do on this sequence is I want to wait until 8 o'clock the next morning. I'm just choosing 8 o'clock, but I want to wait till 8 o'clock the next morning and then send out the first sequence because I don't want to send it out like the night before. I don't want every email to go out at night whenever they sign up. I want to reset the email pattern and the workflow to go out at a certain time every single day so people can get it first thing in the morning and then they can look forward to doing those activities that I want them to do throughout the entire day. So let me show you how to do that. So right now, again, I don't have any trigger. I'm manually triggering this based upon something else here, but the biggest key is going to be in your very first wait step. So right now, again, keep in mind the introductory email. Let's just say you have somebody come in and they could be signing up at 1 o'clock in the morning their time. They could be up late at night. It could be any time of the day. And not only that, it could be some time zone that you don't even know about. See, here's the problem with this, and I'm going to show you how to correct this, but depending upon where people are coming from, if you're signing up in the US, in California, that's one time zone. But what if you're signing up in Australia? What if you have another person in Australia or New Zealand or Bangkok? All of these are different time zones. And how do you reset this to be the same time every day for that particular person that signs up? The biggest thing about this one is going to be a couple of different settings I'm going to show you here. So first of all, when you go into the wait setting here, after the introductory email, I want it to go out just 1 minute. I want it to wait 1 minute. And then what I wanted to do is I've selected down here. If you take a look, I'm going to move myself over here. So right now, if you take a look here, this right here is the advanced window. You're going to open up the advanced window. And what you're going to do is you're going to select, I want it to go every day of the week. But one of the things about this is I want it here, instead of a window, I said I want it to run at an exact time. Now, what I want it to run at, for me, in this example, I want it to run at 8 o'clock in the morning every time. So now this wait step is going to wait 1 minute, and then it's going to then wait until exactly 8 o'clock a.m. So it'll wait until that time before it moves forward. So everybody in the workflow, I'm going to save this real quick, but everybody in the workflow will be stuck here in this wait step until 8 o'clock. But again, 8 o'clock, what time zone is the key? So here's how you fix that. I'm going to go ahead and just save this. So right now, if you click on the settings for the workflow, okay, you can come down here and adjust this setting right here. So the time zone is going to be, do you want this to run in the account time zone? So again, if you're running the account, this runs in the US based time zone, but what if I don't want people in Egypt or people in Australia to get emails at my time zone? I want it to get them in their time zone. So the cool thing is you can just simply come back here and choose their time zone. So whenever they sign up, then this will be exactly 8 a.m., whatever their time zone is. So that's a great way to reset this. And now once you've done that, because I know a lot of people have nurture sequences, but you want to dictate when that email goes out. You want to be able to dictate every day whenever somebody gets that particular email. How would they do that? So first of all, again, adjust the settings to the account time zone. Come here to the very first step, go to the advanced setting and then choose 8 a.m. Now what happens here is this will actually stop and then reset the workflow to go out at a certain time every day. So once you already set it to 8 a.m., you don't need to set any of the other wait steps in the entire workflow. So what I mean by that is that let's just say you come down here and they wait till 8 o'clock that next morning and then the email goes out. So after that, here's the first email that goes out the next morning. So this is like the very first one that goes out. Perfect. Now, what if you wanted to go out every day after that? The good thing about it, because the timing is already set for 8 o'clock in the morning, really your next wait step doesn't have to have any advanced configuration set on it. All you have to do is just wait 1 day. Because if the previous email went out one day ago at 8 o'clock in the morning, then the next one is going to go out the next day at 8 a.m. because it just waited 1 day. You see what I mean? So right now, all you really have to do is configure this very first wait step to whatever time zone you want the emails to go out from. And then if you want to adjust, again, later on, if this is a 30-day sequence, let's just say on day 15, you wanted the emails to go out that night. All you'd have to do is go down to that step, the wait step in that 15th section there, and then adjust that wait step to whatever time zone you want. And then it will wait to that time. And then after that, then it will sit back and continue to send out at that time zone. So I hope that makes sense. So I know I've had a couple of people ask me about how to control when the emails get sent out. I'm actually building this, and I thought this would be a great example. I could just quickly show you what I'm doing. And if you want to be able to do this, this is a great little hack. If you want to correct or even update your emails, just so that you can dictate what time of the day people actually get their emails based upon when they sign up. Because keep in mind, they can be signing up at 10 o'clock at night. They can be signing up at 3 o'clock in the morning. But whatever time they get set up, I'm sending them an introductory email to say, hey, you signed up, I got it, welcome. And then after that, then the emails get reset to a certain time zone every day so that they get it first thing in the morning when they wake up and ready to get going. So guys, I hope this was, you learned a little bit of something from here. I just wanted to share it with you again. Thanks for hanging in there with me. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click subscribe. Hit the like video if this is something that interests you and that you like, or leave me a comment with a question. I always get back to it. Guys, thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.